All right, so today we're going to show you how to fix when an error occurred and Roblox cannot continue expected channel name. So this issue can be from a few things. So the first thing is you need to make sure that your connection or your internet is stable. So you need to like check whether or not your network and internet settings are good, and just check everything if your internet is okay. Another thing you can do for this is open your browser and go to speednet.com and just do this. Just do a speed test and see if it is stable or if it's slower than the normal speed that you have. As you can see, this is my normal speed. I have high speed connection because we are using Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi, but it's the same thing as Wi-Fi. Like, check. You need to have a baseline of your internet connection, like the download and upload speed, if it's the same. So, for example, again, my download speed is 600 plus, and my upload speed is the same. So, but if I do this again and it's slower, then that might affect your Roblox experience. So, aside from that, what you want to do is go to roblox.com and just see if you need the game to be updated. So, what you want to do is, let me see this. I don't know what this is. It's taking a bit longer. I have one message, but never mind that. So what you want to do is just click on any experience. Like, for example, like let's choose Frontlines. If you click on this, and you're gonna see, just click on the play button here, and your Roblox is now loading. Since I have Roblox installed, just open Roblox. Oh, there you go. Yeah, right. So this download install Roblox, but I already have it, so I'm just gonna click on this. And let's see if there's some update or not, because if there is, it's going to be shown that you need to update the game. As you can see, installing Roblox, meaning I need to update the game, and it's updating. If I didn't do this, I will have that error. And let's just start Roblox and see. There you go, Frontlines. And yeah, so that's pretty much what you can do for the internet thing. If you're still having issues, just try to restart your browser and do the same things again, and you're pretty gonna be sorted out by then. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.